What's up, everyone? Welcome to the first Ask Pune episode. Today we're gonna ask people, why do people choose to not work out even though they know the health consequences that come with it. Like this video if you wanna see more. Comment if you wanna see more videos like this in the future. And tell me what kind of Ask Pune episodes you want in the future. Comment it down below. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Dhruv.
चंद्रकांत भापकर,
सुधीर देशपांडे,
Rajeshwari,
Anjali and Huzaifa.
Omkar,
Aditya.
My name's Nishita.
And yours?
Aditi.
Do you guys work out?
I used to, but not anymore. I'm only doing the take day now
And you?
Same.
Why not? Why did you stop?
because of COVID. I used to go to the gym, but now I stopped going to the gym.
You didn't think of home workouts?
I did yoga at home, and I used to do it at home, but it's not the same.
Okay, yeah, I get you.
I mean, I'm the kind of a guy who
Yes.
needs motivation.
Yeah, I get you.
हाँ जरूर बचपन से करता हूँ.
Yeah, like frequently. Not very frequently, rarely.
if you call yoga workout, yes, I do.
Yes, that is a workout.
Not often, but sometimes.
Kind of, just started.
I work out on alternatives. I mean, it's very important because I usually work out for my mental fitness, you know, the hormones, the happy hormones.
Okay.
So it's not because of the body, mostly it's
Just
because
the-
of the mental stability that I
Okay.
do it.
Not really. Not at all.
Why?
I am extremely lazy, and he's also extremely lazy.
Is
Kind
that a
of.
good thing?
No, it's really not. But
Like, I've always wanted to, but like I never could.
I mean,
So,
we do stuff like this, like treks and walks and runs. But that's not like,
Not really workout.
yeah, not like exactly workout.
फिटनेस के लिए, खुद के लिए,
हाँ.
मेंटेन करने के लिए.
I just feel nice working out.
You feel nice?
Yeah.
Then why do
There's
people...
dopamine rush, right?
Okay.
So yeah,
Then why do some people don't feel that dopamine rush?
I guess it's the initial step that is the big step to get up out of bed and get to working out. Once you start working out, it's not a big problem, I think.
I don't want to depend on anybody in my old age.
Lead a quality life.
Just to keep myself healthy for day-to-day routine like office or any homework. So that's for I work out.
For building the body and just because it's corona, so you can't go out and play. So I just trek over here.
So like like many people, they know that if they don't do workout or like exercises,
Yeah.
they will have health problems afterwards.
Yes, sure.
So like why even knowingly they don't do workout? So what will you tell them?
So like the main reason of not doing workout is mostly work and being lazy. And if you don't do, of course, you're going to suffer.
So many reasons. Each individual has his own. I think one of them is that people are intrinsically lazy sometimes. Sometimes the initial lethargy is difficult to get over. Many of those things. Maybe sometimes people are busy in their own schedules. They don't find time. I don't know. Each individual has his own reasons.
Okay. And do you think that's a good thing?
No, it's a horrible thing. That's why India is supposed to be the diabetes capital nowadays.
And what would you like to tell them?
Find time.
Find time.
Stretch
Find
your
time.
schedule. Stretch your schedule and find half an hour every day. It's all that it takes.
Because we end up having jobs and then we don't get time, and then even after our jobs we have other work to do. So then it gets missed out on.
Maybe everyone wants to, but then because of the things they are involved in, probably they are not.
Don't get time.
What do you think? Is it between an actual reason कि वो लोग नहीं कर पाते कि is it just an excuse?
Sometimes it might
Depends.
be an actual reason, or
Yeah.
sometimes might just be an excuse.
It depends on the person and the life and the stuff they have in their life.
According to it's their choice whether they want to stay healthy by doing workout at home also like yoga, or coming here like enjoying the nature, enjoying the sunset and doing workout. So that's up to their perspective, like how they want to live their life.
So is that a good thing? What they're doing?
According to what they are doing, like according to them that's a good thing. Like according to me it's not a good thing, like staying in the home for 24/7, like it's not a good thing. Now you should come like once or twice in a week. You should come out, like enjoy the nature. That's what I think.
And what would you tell them? Like one advice?
Just come out of your home, like come out of your comfort zone and feel like you can feel how the nature is and how beautiful the sunset looks over here at Baner.
Just show the sunset, Aryan. It's amazing. Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers.
वो उनको आदत नहीं रहती और सुस्ती रहती है, व्यायाम करना उनको कष्टमय लगता है। आराम करने की आदत रहती है, इसलिए उसको व्यायाम नहीं करते वो लोग।
तो क्या अच्छी बात है?
नहीं नहीं, बहुत बुरी बात है, अच्छी बात नहीं है। इस हेल्थ के लिए, वो फिटनेस रखने के लिए तो व्यायाम करना जरूरी है, और खुद को मेंटेन करने के लिए तो व्यायाम की जरूरत है। आप जो खाते हैं वो किधर से भी बर्न होना चाहिए।
राइट।
खाते जाते हैं तो आपका वेट बढ़ता जाता है।
तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे जिन लोगों को जो लोगों को फिटनेस नहीं करते? वो
हाँ नहीं,
क्या कहना
मैं
चाहेंगे
उनको जरूर नम्र हाथ जोड़ के विनंती कर सकता हूँ कि आप जरूर व्यायाम करो। आप जितना खाते हैं उतना आपका उससे ज़्यादा कितना आपका बर्न होना चाहिए, प्रोटीन कैलोरीज बर्न होना चाहिए, तो आप फिट रहेंगे। और जो मसल्स है, स्नायु है, उसको एक्टिवेट रहने के लिए व्यायाम की ज़रूरत है।
They don't know the importance of health during their old age, and they think when they have some problem like heart attack and everything, at that time they realize the importance of fitness. They should think on their own. Why should be fit?
Okay.
Nobody can tell and then realize that yes, I have to do something. They should think themselves.
Why do people smoke when they know it's bad for you?
You tell me.
See, it's up to you, no, whether you want to do it or not. It's the dedication is what it matters. Like if you want to do it, there's no excuses. I am the kind of guy who finds excuses, no. So, but yeah, it's personal thing. I mean, if you're motivated and self-motivated enough, then you can do it at home. You don't even need to go to the gym then.
And do some people just naturally have more self-motivation, or how does that work?
See, it depends on taking the first step.
Okay.
Like when I started exercising a year and a half back, I was 10 kgs more than what I was.
Okay.
And it took me a lot of time for me to even get started. But once I did, then it was just smooth. So I think it depends. Yeah, it depends. Motivation is not going to happen like how you can say I want to start working out and whatever. But if you really want to, you will, and that you need some push also. So once you start, then you will see a gradual increase in your stamina, a gradual increase in your weight loss or whatever, and then obviously you'll get self-motivated. That's the time when you start actually.
And to those who don't have that motivation, how can they get that push? Like where do they actually get it from?
See, I know people who don't give a damn about even if they're like 100 kgs.
Okay.
And I know people who are even like 1 kg or 2 kgs over it and they still wouldn't want to do that. So it depends on that.
Laziness, obviously. What else could be the reason? I mean, लोगों को body चाहिए, लोगों को six packs चाहिए, लोगों को abs चाहिए, लोगों को cuts चाहिए. Come on. They're just not able to do it because of the fact that they're just not able to get out of their bed.
And what would you like to tell them?
That please do it because you won't repent later on in your older age. I'd say, because if you do it now, कल सीढ़ी चढ़ने में problem नहीं होगी, you know.
Okay.
Because I've seen my mother climbing stairs. I mean, it takes her like about a day to climb the stairs because of the knee issues. So I feel if you do it now, later on in life, it'll reap out. It'll reap something good for your overall body.
It's like eating a bag of chips maybe, or like everything that we do, we always choose the easy step, right?
Correct.
Humans have the tendency to go through the easy route. So I guess it's that. It's like psychologically.
Awesome.
Nothing.
Love your answer.
Thank you.